back to Top Car Detailing. Well, back in the studio today with a BMW M4 Competition. So what we'll be doing with this car is fitting the Maxton design body kit to it, and also taking a bit more of a look at the vehicle as well. So what I'm going to do now is going to crack on, but before I start, got all the kit set up here, the bits and pieces for fitting this. Now it's very important too, if you're going to buy one of these BMWs or some similar model to this vehicle, it's very important that you find somebody who knows what they're doing in regards to fitting these body kits. And we're approved and accredited by Maxton Design to fit all these kits on a wide variety of vehicles like the BMW X5s, X6s, M4s, M3s, etc. So you would have seen quite a few on my YouTube channel at the moment what I've done. Also, it's very important too, the other thing is, on these particular cars, because of the make and performance of them, they have big intercoolers in the front bumper. So it's important that once you're thinking about getting one of these kits fitted, give me a call, get in touch with me, as we can fit these for you here. As I say, quite tricky equipment there in the front of the bumper, and you've got to know exactly what you're doing once you're fitting these front splitters. So there's a thought for you. If you like, check out my YouTube channel as well and hit that subscribe button, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. We've got loads of cars on there, and you can see the work that we do here. Most cars that come along as well are in for detailing, so we do paint correction, ceramic coatings, machine polishing, and all that type of thing as well. Very important, so if that's what you're looking for. And also too, what we've done quite a bit of just lately is fitting the Maxton body kits as part of putting a package together basically for our customers, so they can have the kit fitted while they're having the car detailed here in our studio. So I'll crack on now. You'll see me going around the car, and I'll be fixing some bits and pieces to it, and I'll catch up with you later. Get my jacket on, it's a bit nippy up here today, and then we'll get this sorted out. Other important factor here too is having the lift in the studio. We can lift the cars up, get to all areas as well. Very important. Now we've got the side diffusers on, they're boxed off, and next thing what we'll be doing, fitting the front splitter. So we're going to lift the car up in a minute. Thing is with this, like I said before, on these cars, high performance, bigger intercoolers in the front bumper here. You've got to be very careful when you're fitting this type of kit, and you've got to know what you're doing. So we have all the special tools here for doing this. So I'll crack on, you see me in the video, and I'll catch you later. So just having a look at the front splitter here. Obviously, as we've got to fit it there, and then we've got these points here which have got to be drilled through and fixed to the back of the bumper. So we've still got quite a bit to do, so we're going to take this off now, drill the holes in the right places, and then we're going to get set up and sort this out. Right, so you can see how this is taking shape now. The next thing, we've got to position it right here and then drill some more holes in. So this is the Maxton front splitter, all fully fitted now and really solid and sturdy. That's not going to come off, and this is the most important thing too. If you're looking to have one of these fitted, it's imperative you get the right person to fit it, because with the wind speed and everything, especially if you're driving on the motorway, one of these gets ripped off, you've got major problems. So anyway, I'll drop the car down now, we'll pull it outside and we'll take a look. Thanks once again guys for watching that short video on the BMW M4 here, fitting the Maxton design body kit. If that's something you're looking for, don't hesitate, give us a call. Also we can put one of these packages together for you as well if you're looking to have your car detailed, so we can fit the full kit, do all the paint correction, ceramic coatings, etc. While your car's in our studio, so you're going to get the full service basically, and that's what it's about here, the Top Car Detailing. We work on all sorts of makes and vehicles, luxury cars, performance cars, sports cars, wide range, and you would have seen a lot of cars that are detailed on my YouTube channel. I've been doing this for over 25 years, this job, and I know what's the best is, the coating wise, etc. For the vehicles that we detail here. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.